So hi guys, this is Divyanshu and welcome to this new video of Divya. And in this new video, we are going to learn how to colorize human eye. This video will be divided into two parts. And the first part is to add a color very naturally, and in second part we will learn how to manipulate the color to get a very artistic result. So let's get straight into the video. If you want to go ahead and follow along with this picture, check the link in description. So here, as you can see, the image of the lady. Here, the first step to colorize eye is to check the color of the eye, whether the color of the eye is bright or dark. So here, I think the color of the eye is dark. So we have to brighten it. For brightening it, we have to have the adjustment layer, which is brightness and contrast. And we have to increase the brightness. Brightness up to 88 is okay. So firstly we will remove the brightness from all over the image. For that, what we have to do is press Alt and backspace. What it did is it fills up the black inside this mask, and filling up the black inside the mask means it hides all the effect of the mask. So now what we will do is change the color. For changing the color, we press X. So when I press X, the foreground color got changed to black, and if I again press X, the color got changed again. So you have to fill inside the eye the white color, means we have to increase the brightness. Okay, when we are filling the black color, with that we are filling the brightness. Okay, so now again change the color to black and remove the extra color. Okay, here from above the eye, and remove it from between. Okay, and we have to also remove it from the edges of the eye, and do similarly in this eye, changing foreground color to white and then painting inside the eye, and then removing this effect from the corner of the eye and from inside the eye. Okay, now what we have to do is to have a hue and saturation adjustment layer, and change and this scroller hue changes the color. Okay, so change the color which you want to be painted in eye. So I think this is okay for this eye. Okay, so first we will remove this effect from whole of the image. So for that, again we will do same thing, which is press Alt backspace, and now we have to fill eye with white color, which means we have to add the color inside the eye. Zoom inside the eye. So this eye is filled. Press X to remove the extra. Remove it from between. Now, not from the edge. We have to have the color at the edge. Okay, now do similarly with this eye. Okay, so paint in the eye, and then remove it. Okay, so this is how you can see I have painted inside the eye. Okay, see this, the difference between. So this is the before and this is the after. So I think the saturation is high, so let's reduce the saturation. Saturation up to this much is okay. So this is the before and this is the after. So now we will apply different color, and let's see how can we do that. So first, as we did in the prior part of the video, that we increase the brightness. For that we have to again go and increase the brightness and have the brightness and contrast layer, and again increase the brightness, and fill the mask with black color. For what we have to do, alt backspace. What alt backspace did is fill the foreground color. Okay, and now this effect is removed from all over the areas, and now fill the eye with white color, the area in which we have to make the eye color brighten. Okay, so now we have to increase the burst size and remove the extra colors, not extra color, extra brightness. So it's done, I think. And now what we will do is we will have hue and saturation adjustment layer, and in this layer we'll have this color. I think is okay. Reduce the saturation of it, and now I think this is okay. And this color is added over whole of the image. As you can see, whole of the image is added with this color. So we have to remove from whole of the image. For that, what we have to do is we have to fill in mask with black color. For that, we have to again press alt backspace, and now with white color selected as a foreground color, we have to fill in the area which we wanted to paint it as this yellow color. Okay, so I'm doing this very fastly. Now remove the extra color, extra from between and from the edges. You have to remove the color from edge and from between the eyes. Okay, so we will add our second color by again having hue and saturation adjustment layer. And then this I think is okay. This color we will add in the middle of the eye. So we'll press alt and backspace to remove all the colors. Zoom inside the image and reduce the flow. Is okay, and reduce saturation up to -20. Okay, and now we have selected this hue and saturation icon. We have to select this mask. Okay, and fill in with white color. Actually, I forgot I had to paint in the middle of the eyes. Okay, so again press X to have black color and remove it from inside, and we'll add one more color by adding hue and saturation adjustment layer. And now we will have this blue color. This blue color again reduce saturation because it's too much. Okay, and remove it from all over the area. Alt backspace, fill in black in the mask. Okay, and now with white color as foreground. To change the color we have to press X, as we know. So slowly with a very low hardness and reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity to a very low number. I think 9 will be okay. And now again we have to remove the extra color. From between, from the edges of the eye, and this you can see how artistic it looks. So it is looking excellent. So it's looking excellent, and now this is this is the before and this is the after, you can see. So guys, this is how I have done it. As you can see how I have done it, and now you can check the link of this PSD of these photos in description. And as I said earlier, that you can check the link in description of the photos of the JPEG photos. Okay, so you can check that in the description. And if you like this video, give a like. If you don't, please give a dislike. And at last, I would like to say that please, if you want to help me out, please share this video. At last, thank you.